It is the money hitting the account. It is not negotiations in the boardrooms, and our national leaders have hidden that call. That is why they told us, hold fort at the branches and chapters, and we will only call it off when not promises are given, when the money is actually disbursed, and the writings on the memos are not actions. In this era of technology, by the click of a button, money is wired into the accounts. So that is the only language we will hear this time around. So
it's unfortunate we find ourselves in this situation. It is not our wish, but we are forced by circumstances. So we appeal to our students to be patient as their lecturers push for what is rightfully theirs. We are also appealing to our parents to be patient, and also all stakeholders in the education sector. Normalcy will come when the workers of the university will have been given what is rightfully theirs.
We are tired. We are tired. And this is a government which has got money. It has collected, it has increased taxes, but they are misusing the money. We are not going to sit down watching everything go down the trail. If they want the university education to flourish, to succeed, these are the key players and the drivers in the universities.
Musilale